Okay guys, what a wet and miserable day. I'm going to get this steering wheel off. I think all the cowling's got to come off. Possibly even the indicator stalk, I'm not sure. We'll see how we get on. But basically when the car's driving straight, the steering wheel is in that position. Yeah, it's not good. So steering wheel off, recenter it, see what happens. Okay guys, it's held on the top with 2 torque bits. 4 torque bits on the bottom for the cowling. Obviously I disconnected the battery, it's been disconnected for about a day. The torque bit size, CRV T20. And I think on the back, the airbag is held on with 2 of these 732 bits. Let's have a go at getting this off. Okay, so the airbag's off. These 2 little things stay in place by the looks of it. That looks to be 15 and then 3 Phillips screws. Let's get it off. Okay guys, it's on, it's lined up with the wheels. Should be somewhere near now. I did struggle with it because that's a relatively short bolt, about that long. So I used a longer bolt to bring the steering wheel closer to the spline, and obviously remove this and put the short one in. Just stop me battling with getting the steering wheel on the spline. Just tightened it up. So yeah, that's that. And I'll get it all back together. Okay guys, battery's back on. This is where I get an airbag light go off. Oh, all good. Hey! Steering wheel is straight. With the wheel as well. So that's cool. Yeah, easy peasy. Thanks for watching guys.